Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here in Parkersburg, West Virginia with Dawson, and we are taking a look at the abandoned marble factory here. Now you'll have to excuse me because I am not good at saying the name of this factory, but I believe it was called the Vitro Marble Factory, and basically this is where they made marbles here. Now I have visited here once before, years and years ago, but I didn't really take a look inside that much because for a long time, and possibly still currently, this place has been used by homeless people in the area as a place to seek shelter. Now, this is a historical factory. Lots of people do come and visit here to take photos, and it is completely abandoned. The city is aware of, you know, that people come here and that some people are in fact living here. But for the most part, they seem to ignore the property. Although there have been some talks of possibly revitalizing it, turning it into like a public space, or even just tearing it down as the city believes it could be a nuisance. So, as you can see here, this would have been part of the old lift/elevator system here. And if I am correct, that whole giant hole right over here that we can take a look at would lead right out to the railroad tracks, so they could easily load things up and get them onto the railroad. As you can see, we do have a second and even a third floor here. As far as I know, you can only access those from the railroad track at this point. But as you can tell, they are falling apart, and the roof floor actually has plants and trees growing on it, so it'd definitely be a risk to go up there, so we are not going to do that. We're just going to show you the lower level. And you know, as you walk through here, you can see some of the old stuff here. You can see that there's lots of garbage in the background here. Now, as I said, people have lived here in the past, and most likely they still do, because this would be a good shelter, of course. And that definitely would be being out in the cold. And you can see areas here where it is bricked up. There is a little basement hole there, but we are going to leave that alone because no need to go underground or anything like that. So this is just a cool abandoned marble factory here in Parkersburg, West Virginia. Who knows what the future holds for it? Of course, the plans for revitalization would be great, and I think tearing it down would be the worst case scenario. Especially since at the time it does provide a sort of shelter for people in the area who may be homeless. So that is actually all we have for you guys today. I just wanted to show off this abandoned marble factory. And hey, if you know more details about this marble factory, you know, more of its history, feel free to comment that down below. It is a really cool piece of history here that is literally right off the roadside, and honestly, I just think it's really cool. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. It really helps out a lot, and I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.